So we have our gaming PC and our streaming PC. What you're gonna wanna do is go to your gaming PC and open up OBS. Let's go to the scene category on the bottom left. You're gonna make a new scene. Click the plus sign here and enter whatever you want. Right after you are done, click OK. If you don't know how to install your keyboard and mouse overlays, I recommend you pause this video right now and check out the second link in the description on how to install them on OBS. The next step is to put the keyboard and mouse overlay on OBS. If you choose display capture, it will slow your game down and give you stuttering on most setups. So instead, you're going to want to go to game capture. This is the only way I know that you can minimize lag. On the mode, you can leave it as capture any full screen application. If you have any trouble, you can go to capture specific window and you can go to the window and you can choose your game on there. Then click OK. Make sure your game capture is on the bottom layer so it's not blocking any of your overlays. Let's go to the desktop and right click it. Hover over and click on display settings on the drop down window. Scroll down till you see multiple displays. Make sure you click on extend these displays, then press keep changes. You will create a virtual display this way. Once you are done organizing your overlays, you are going to want to right click your scene on OBS and hover over full screen projector and click on the second monitor that is connected to your capture card. Now let's head over to the streaming PC. Let's make a new scene, click the plus here and enter whatever you want again, then click OK. Now let's go to the sources section and click the plus sign. Click on video capture device. You are going to want to click on your capture card. Mine is Camlink 4K. You will now see your overlay and game on the preview. You can set up your audio, webcams, and other things on OBS and play the game. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe for more content.